Sometimes you have a situation where you need to hide your product from Google searches and also from internal Shopify search. For example, you are running a gift with purchase promotion and you need to make sure that none of your customers can find this product by Googling it or by searching within your website. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it without touching any code. So let's look at my development site and go to one of the products and add it to the cart. You can see that we have received a free gift which was automatically added to the cart. So now we want to make sure that this product is not possible to find using the website search, which as you can see currently appears in here, and also that we're hiding it from Google search. So how do you normally hide from the Google search? If you look at the official Google documentation, you can see that you need to add a no index rule, which is literally adding this meta tag to your website. But as I mentioned to you at the beginning of the video, we're not going to touch any code. How are we going to do it? We need to go to our Shopify's backend, go to settings and click on the custom data here. So custom data, or what was previously called Metafield, is an area where you can add some extra data to your products, collections, orders, and so on. So in our case, we're gonna do it for the product. We click on the product and we need to add a new definition. So we click on this add definition button and we need to give it a name. So let's call it hide from Google. As a name, you can pick any name you want, and then the namespace and key, we need to change it to SEO hidden. This is the exact namespace and key you need to enter, so make sure that you remember this. The description, you can leave it blank if you want. I normally try to add a little hint for the website administrator, just so it makes it easier for someone who doesn't know what this Metafield does. So what we're gonna say is add one if you want to hide it from Google results. I'm gonna explain later why I've said add one. So the final step would be select the type, and here we need to select integer. Everything else is looking good and we need to click save. So as you can see, our hide from Google Metafield has appeared, and now we need to go to the actual gift product and add this Metafield. So we're closing that window, we go to products and look for our free gift product, which is the one at the top. Now scroll down until you will see product Metafields, and if you don't see your hide from Google Metafield here, you can click view all to see all of the Metafields. In our case, it's already visible, so we click on that one, and this is important step. If you want to hide it from Google, you just need to type 1 and click save. Now let's go to our site and see if that worked. First, let's see if that's now hidden from internal website search. We go to the search, we type free. You can see nothing has appeared. Even if we go to the actual search result page, there is nothing with the search term free gift, so that's worked. And then now, as we still have this product added to our cart, we can click on that product. And as I have shown to you earlier, in order for the page to not be tracked by Google, you need to add this no index rule. So if we do right click on the free gift product page and go to view page source, you can now see the HTML of your product page, and then what we need to do is we need to search for no index. And as you can see, we have this meta name robots and content no index, no follow. This is exactly as we've seen it within the official Google documentation. And that means this product, even if the Google bot will go on this page, it will scan the HTML, will find this no index, no follow rule, and it's not gonna take it and display it within these Google searches. I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions with regards to this hide from Google functionality. Let me know if you have any other topics you want to know about Shopify store.